Whether you're brand new to real estate investing or thinking about getting into real estate investing, or you're a seasoned pro at real estate investing, this message is for you. As an investor, one of your biggest hurdles is overcoming the barrier between your deals and the money you need to fund those deals. And if you're like most investors, you're probably working with several brokers out there in the hopes you're finding the best possible solution to your funding needs. Well, buckle up, folks, because I got a good one for you here. Hey folks, Patrick here with Pro Commerce Broker University, and I'm probably going to piss off a lot of brokers out there, but I don't care, because if you're a real estate investor or even just thinking about becoming one, well, it's time you got fired up and fired your brokers. All of them.
You're fired! You're fired!
You're fired!
Patrick, you're fired!
Wait, did he just say Patrick? Anyway, you know what your brokers are doing behind the scenes? They're bragging and laughing all the way to the banks with your money. Just look at these examples of the video I just saw go live a few days ago. Now, I've changed the names here so that I'm not violating any copyright laws, but this is just a small example of what's happening behind the scenes. I say behind the scenes because you probably aren't part of the algorithmic group these videos are targeted to. Now, if you have seen them, well, you should be getting fired up. That's your money they're bragging about. Are you mad yet? I know you're probably thinking or asking, Patrick, how's that my money if I got what my broker said I was going to get, right? Well, let's take a closer look. Now, if you've been at the real estate investing game for any length of time, and you're paying 4, 5, or 6 points on your loans, stop. You're getting hosed. Even if you're brand new at real estate investing, it's not necessary to be paying anything north of 5 or 6 points just because you're new at the game. But don't take my word for it. Go through the HUD statements from your last several deals. The specific line numbers vary from deal to deal, but somewhere in section 800, you'll see a line item called lender fee. And if you used a broker to put that deal together, you'll see another line item called broker or referral fee. Now, by the way, a $1 million loan closed through us would look something like this. Mad yet? Now, if you're just starting out in real estate investing, you may very well see deals coming in at 3 or 4, maybe even 5 points, but rarely more than that. And these fees will get lower the more experienced you become. But contrary to what you've been told, paying exorbitant points in the beginning is not a rite of passage to becoming a successful real estate investor. My whole point here is this. The difference between the lender fee and the broker fee, in most cases, should be 0, if not a negative number. In other words, if the broker fees are higher than the lender fees, you're getting hosed. Now are you mad? It's perfectly legal, folks, but not necessary. And at this point, this is the point at which I probably just pissed off a lot of loan brokers out there. But again, I don't care. Look, I'm all about brokers earning their fees. After all, it is what I teach and what I do myself. But we teach brokers how to operate with honesty, integrity, and transparency, with a 0 tolerance to anything else. Our position is that brokers should indeed earn a fair commission for doing all the groundwork and matching the right funding solution with the specific need. But why should a broker earn more commission on a loan than the actual lender? It doesn't make sense. Which brings me to the whole point of this video. If you're just considering getting into the real estate investing game, you might want to consider becoming a loan broker as the first step. Because by first learning about all the different types of funding solutions available, the various nuances, and what it takes to qualify, you'll be positioned to make your offers on properties from a position of knowing you can put it all together. And here's the bonus. You will collect the broker's fee, even on your own deals. Now that's just smart business. By becoming a loan broker, you'll be able to build up a cash reserves that the lenders want to see while gaining the working knowledge that you'll need to succeed as an investor. Now, if you're already a seasoned real estate investor, that's even better. You've been in the trenches. You know what it takes to make a successful deal profitable. Now you can add an extra layer of profit on top of what you already do without changing anything you're doing. That's right. By eliminating the middleman, the broker, You tighten up your margins so you can either collect a commission at closing table or roll a commission back into the deal for an increased ROI. And here's the bonus. Whether you're new or experienced, you'll be able to operate as a loan broker for other real estate investors and collect the broker fees on their deals. This alone can add another 6 figures or more to your annual revenue. The bottom line is this. You get closer to the money you need to fund your own deals and collect a commission in the process. This is a no-brainer when you think about it, folks. And there is nothing whatsoever illegal or unethical about it. It's just good money sense. You don't need any additional licensing to do this. No special qualifications or other certifications are required. What better way to learn how to put your own offers together, what properties to stay away from, and how to make all the numbers work than to gain the knowledge from a loan broker's perspective. In fact, many of our brokers have become real estate investors as a result of working in this space. The knowledge you'd gain about the investing markets is not only bountiful, but priceless. Now, if you're interested, we have a system whereby we teach folks how to work in the loan brokering space. And since we operate exclusively in the real estate markets, we know the challenges you face as an investor. We're partnered with top-tier lenders across the nation and have access to some of the most aggressive funding programs available. And finally, we provide a comprehensive learning platform under the guidance of all the one-on-one coaching, mentoring, and support you could possibly ever need. Look, you already love the idea of working in the real estate space. Why not capitalize on the funding side of the closing table? If you'd like to know more, there'll be some links down below in the description that you can check out and get some more information. You should know, though, that we're not selling training here. We're not selling anything. We're providing essentially a plug-and-play platform designed for real estate investors that want to accelerate wealth creation and take their revenue to the next level. Let's chat and see if it's a good fit for you and your objectives. Hey, look, thanks for watching, and please be sure to smash those buttons down there and leave a comment about what you thought. Your feedback's important to us, and it helps us develop more of the content that you actually want to see. All right, folks, so that's all I got for now. Make it a great day.